All right, today we are going to wrap up our banking unit. Get this to go. Today we're going to do section 3, which is over check registers. And when you get done with today, when we're finished with today, you should be able to do writing a check, writing a deposit slip, and filling out a check register. Now, those 3 things you already did on the banking quiz. Section 3, like the other previous 2 sections, we're going to have it do it backwards. They're going to fill one out for you, and you're going to see if they made any mistakes on it. Now, section 3, a few different ways they're going to present it to you. They'll fill one out for you, and they may make you fill in some blanks, or they may fill out one for you and say, did they do this correctly? So let me show you some examples of what it's going to look like. Here is a check register. And what they've done, they've filled out, well, actually they filled out this entire thing. So everything in here is filled out. And what they'll do is they may ask you some questions about it. They may ask you what was the beginning balance. So all you'd have to do is look up here for your beginning balance. Or they may ask what is the current balance in your bank account. That would be this number down here. They may ask you something like, how much did you pay for your phone bill? So you go up here to your phone bill, pay $52.55. So that's one thing they will do with it, where it's filled out for you already. And they're going to ask you questions about it. The other type is where you're going to fill in some missing parts. Here's some examples of that. We'll look at this middle one here. A little small, so I'll blow it up with that. So here's the check register where they started with your opening balance, and then they filled in all of your deposits and the checks that you wrote. And then what you're going to have to do is keep the running balance down the right-hand side. So you've already done these before. It's just going to be a matter of taking that beginning balance. If you have something you're paying someone to, if you're making a payment, you're going to subtract that amount to get your new running balance. That would fill in letter A. The next thing you have is deposit. You would take what your balance was in letter A. Now you're going to add with deposits. So with deposits, you'll add to your balance. With payments, you're going to subtract from the balance. And then you'll just keep track of the running balance down the right-hand side. So those are the 2 ways they're going to present it today. They'll fill it out completely for you and ask you questions about it. Or they're going to fill out everything on the check register except for that running balance down the right-hand side. And you'll keep track of that part. Any questions with those? Okay. Really nothing new. You've already done these on the banking quiz, but now we're just presenting to you kind of backwards. So goal for today, get yourself through quiz 4.3. Some of you are already there, but if you're not, get yourself through quiz 4.3. And if you're behind on stuff, I'll be letting you know what you need to be doing. That's it. The rest of the time is yours. Get things done. Guess what, Sheila? Get all that stuff done.
What?
Yeah, the banking quiz. But first, chapter 4 vocabulary. Fill out 2 checks. Google faster, showing you how to do it. Those. They do a video.